Fáilte arás go Tom ag fáil Gaeilge agus seachtain this seachtain we will pick up where we left off with Ceaptaí Huibhneas trying to finish the translation of that song. So what I plan to do is to go back over it. So just give me a second now. Oh, so actually, what is Irish for translation? Translate. Asterisk. Eastrig, asterisk. Let me see now if I go into term and put in translation. Translation. And it is Astriu. Astriu. Where's the little sound thing? Doesn't have a Astri. Doesn't have what the sound is. But anyway, it's what I'll do is let me just change screen here now. Share. And there you go. So you can see it there. It's AISTRIGH, Astri. And it doesn't have a sound for it. No. Okay. So I have this habit of clicking in and out of okay, stop sharing. I'll definitely get the hang of this eventually. So let's have a look. So if I go back to Ceaptaí Huibhneas, I know Christian is due to join us, so hopefully he's not having any technical issues. Oh, and also Gura Míle Maithagad to no longer listless. I have it here in, let me see, because what I did was I set up what did I set up? Yeah, share screen. I set up, just to say Gura Míle Maithagad to I'm no longer listless, or down here as Puddadles. So just to say thank you very much for Gura Míle Maithagad for putting a queer so much information Ola's air on my Discord. I set it up because Tommy last week asked about it, and Christian, being Christian, said we should go ahead and set all these things up. So I did, but to be honest, I've never used a Discord server before. But what I would say is Puddadles, if I'm pronouncing that right, at least Puddadles is getting tons of use out of it, which is great. So Gura Míle Maithagad again. So back to now. Oh, can I share screen? Let me see. Share screen. Is that open? There you go. Share. So you can see it there now. CC. And again, I'm not 100%. What's this off topic? There's tons of stuff here that I'm not sure. Puddadles. I'm not sure if you're male or female. I kind of assume you're female, but I don't know why I'm assuming that, because you've given no indication as to being male or female. So as a yet to be determined gender, thank you very much. You see, I actually watched, whereas there's a video here with this Shan Ban old lady, and it was quite interesting because she spoke a lot of An Bean sa Cúisneoir. So the woman sa Cúisneoir. Cúisneoir. It's not kitchen, it's like An Bean sa Cúisneoir. Cúisneoir, is that like fridge or something? Anyway, so stop sharing. So back to the translation for this week. I don't know what happened there. So just to recap on this Ceaptaí Huibhneas. So Ceaptaí Huibhneas Ligdisce show, we think it was think your tranquility, take a break. But actually, I got another translation of that. So let's see, is it in here? So get out of that. So Ceaptaí Huibhneas. So what this translation says is, it says keep calm and relax. So that would seem to be keep calm, relax. So keep calm. So think your tranquility, but I think it's basically keep calm. take a break, but it's relax is this version. Capta húbnis mátá tú egri an tani. So think, so relax. So don't worry or relax if you're running low and thin. Capta húbnis be istig lat fein. So be, and actually it's be good to yourself. We were saying last week that it's be inside yourself, but it's sort of be good to yourself. Capta húbnis mátá exhale egli din mo hail fein. So if life is lying hard on your life, so I'd say basically if life is being hard on you, or you're having a tough life, okay, so nur is crua done kalak kahik shire. When it's hard or tough, the scaremonger must run. Again, I'm not sure about that. Is nur ta the Anya Cove Scapi le Munagora. So when your mind is scattered like a hare's. So I saw a translation of that actually, and it says hare's dung. So not quite sure what that means, like a hare's dung, but presumably if it's a hare running across a field, they have a way of maybe scattering. So if your life is scattered like poo. Cod a dirt on Talir Lynn o Guggenbarra. So what was it that the tailor from Guggenbarra said? Glock pogue exhale is glockig on sale bog to fein akara. So accept the soft life and your old life will be easy. I think I hear Christian. Is he having trouble getting in? Are you having trouble getting in?
It says you haven't started the meeting.
I have.
All right.
Okay.
Letting me join.
Okay, so I'm going to end this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm recording again now. So what I had done, Christian, while you were so again, was it Todd Rowan or about not being able to join in? I'm not sure what happened there with the link. So what I'd said was that I just basically had recapped over so screen share. We'll have a lot of things open now. So share. Okay, so I'd recapped over where we were with, can you see that? Yeah.
Yeah.
I recapped over. Okay, so carrying on. So because we've a bit to go on this as well, so we may as well just crack on with this as well. So let's see. So what does our so is that so as in so?
I'm not sure. Let me check.
Things open now.
I need to get translate.
Yeah.
Translate.
So O father. So to such an I think it is
luxury.
I think it is to such an adverb, so for the reason therefore. So it is it's the equivalent to basically it's the equivalent to stop share. So,
you're frozen there, that. Oh no, never mind, you're back.
Okay.
Oh no, you're frozen again.
Can you see me there? Or can you hear me?
Yeah, you were just getting very freezing, and the quality was dropping.
Okay. Probably because we're both on the same network. So it's saying
Yeah.
you can see this, it says adverb to such an extent, conjunction, and the reason therefore. It's the equivalent to so in English, so presumably.
It says luxury though. Have I done it wrong?
So fada.
Yeah, I've done that.
I'm not seeing luxury.
Hmm.
But it makes sense. It makes sense in the context of the song that it's so fada. Is that Sue? Anyway, Sue. I'd have to listen to the song again. Okay. Let's just go back. Let's go back.
Well, it makes the vowel longer, doesn't it? So
yeah. So just say we'll go with so, right? Because it probably is so. Oh, so Capta húbnis ligdishke, Capta húbnis ma tatu egri tani. So again, it's a repetition of so it's kind of what we're saying here is actually This is more really relax. What did I say it was earlier? Relax. Don't worry. No, keep calm and relax, right? So that's what we're saying. So it was keep calm, relax is what we felt captive movements ligdashke meant, right? So but again no, not underline, underscore, not underline. So that's what we think. We think that meant, okay, so captive movements ligdashke, captive movements ma, and if you're running tin, captive movements be stig lat fein. So be again, so it's interesting because stig be is like be as in the English word be, and then stig. So do you know, are you familiar with the words in and out and a couple of different meanings with inside and outside, Christian?
Not really.
Well, you know the way you say to somebody, ishjak, so tar ishjak or fall.
Yeah, I would know that.
So ishjak means what?
Out.
No, a mock is out.
Oh, then in.
What's a stock?
In.
Power stock, yeah. So it's come in. Sorry, now let me see. Stop share. Let's share screen. Let's go back into this again. Sorry now. So it's what's interesting is in Irish you have the action of tar stock. So that's come in when you're moving in, but then there's ishtig and so amwe, which is means outside when you're already outside, right? So you have a mock is to go. So if I'm going out the door, it's a mock. So I'm going out from the house. So the action is that I'm going out. But say I think if I'm standing outside something, then I'm with it in that I'm outside in the outside. Whereas stig is sort of be inside yourself. So it's not saying going into yourself, it's sort of be inside yourself, if you get what I mean. Anyway, so be a stig lat fan. Was that up there? Was that up there? Be a stig lat fan. Yeah, it was, yeah. So be inside yourself or be good to yourself is probably what these guys mean here. Because again, actually what we'll do is we'll look up right what the ishti. Let me see now. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to translate and then I'll open up translate now in a second.
Inside.
Oh. Okay, let me just share this screen here now. Stop share and then share screen.
It says inside for me.
Yeah, so you see, can you see this?
Yeah.
Right.
Hi, Baba.
So you see here it says.
You want to see Daddy? I think he can hear your voice. No, not the keyboard.
Do you quit the guard? Do you quit? Couldn't sit too?
Say hi. I got you.
Do you quit? Garrett probably speaks better Irish than us.
Like No, not the keyboard. Sorry about that.
You're okay.
He's sticking his tongue out.
Let me just see now. Okay. So where were we? We were okay, so you see here it says indoor or sorry, ishtig, right? So in and then adverb ishjak, ishti, eral, egg. So it's and actually what I'll do is I'll put it into I've changed. Can you see what I've changed there?
Yeah.
You can see this that I'm still in
yeah, you're in the dictionary thing now.
Okay, very good. So ishti inside in a house in a corner. Vime ishtig sakar. I was in the city, like the city center. Be come. Yeah, see, it's interesting, isn't it? Ishti. Okay, I'll go back to we'll go back to the thing, and actually if I OBS is going to open now. Share screen. This, okay, share. Okay, we're back to this guy here, so I'll get you over here. So be ishti la fein. So Captain Hoovness mata excel egli din air. So like if life is hard on you. Okay, so the bridge, I'm assuming that's bridge because it looks like Droghid. And do you think it's Droghid?
Yeah. Well, that's how you pronounce it, isn't it?
Droghid bridge. Yeah, so it's the bridge. In musical terms, it means the same thing. Okay, so bridge. Sorry now. Where is can't see this. Okay, so take it. So we're in the bridge. So isminic smuinem on am nur avime og. Isminic smuinem on am nur avime og. So do you recognize any words in there?
May.
Right now. Put this on bold. May. Where's May?
Yeah, me.
Oh, me. Oh, yeah. So me. Yeah. So me. So something about me. So do you recognize any words?
V is can't remember, but it's like it would be at the start of a question, isn't it?
It refers to the past. So it's ta is my understanding. It's like ta, but in the past. So if you say ta me on shop, which means what?
I am unsure here.
Yeah, I am here. And if I said V me on shop,
I was here.
I was here.
Yeah, because in the Irish books it will be like where were they?
Yeah, so V it just V just is like basically just so V may I was, and anytime you see V, it means it's the affirmative, but in the past to some level. Okay, anything else? Is do you know is?
I've seen nor before.
Nor, yeah. So you have me.
Like when.
So when. You have when, yeah.
What's meaning?
Smuinem. So if I said egg smuinem, would that mean anything to you? Egg smuinem?
No. No.
It's when I think. So smuin is think and smuinem is I think. So let me just put it into the thing right now. I'm just going to throw it into the translation thing and see what it comes up with. Smuinem. I don't think it won't come up in the. I'd have to put it into Google Translate.
Minic is often.
Yeah, so smuinem, I think. Okay, so we have that. So we have a I think. Sorry now. I keep going back into Zoom, but I'm in Pages. Okay, so smuinem. So isminic, yeah. So is often. And is like, I suppose it's sort of what we're saying is like is like, you know, is misha. So I
Is it like
or
often
so
when I think?
so often when I think, so probably often when I think will be when I think often, but anyway, let's go when often when I think.
Because I think I would make more sense than me in that.
Often when I think what?
I don't know.
Air on am. So at the time. So at the time. So air on am is, so that's am is time. So so air is like on the time, so like at the time presumably. A V may, so nor when nor I was, what's og?
Is it small?
No, that's
No.
Biog. Og.
Yeah. I'm not entirely sure.
Young.
So I
Nor,
was close.
yeah, nor V may og. Yeah. So often, so like it says here, often when I think at a time when I was young. So what it's probably really saying is I often thought about I think about the time when I was young.
Yeah.
Okay, something like that, right? Okay, so is me ag smuin of chap me gur hog. Okay, so let's go over that. So what they're saying there is me ag smuin of. So what's egg smuin of? If this is smuinum, and that's I think, what is egg smuin of?
Don't know.
But what's smuinum?
Think.
So
Thinking.
I think.
Or
And smuin of egg. What when you have egg in front of a word in Irish, what does it do to it?
don't know.
Turns it into an ing word. You know, so if I say
Yeah.
if I say egg immert or egg
That's
rib.
what I said though. I said thinking.
Oh, well, I asked you what did it mean, and I don't get fair enough, right?
Well, I said I don't know, and then I was like, oh, it might mean thinking.
Okay, so what are we saying here then? So isme, so isme exmean. So let's just throw it into isme exmean. Let's just see what it says here. Oops. I think so. It's when I think, is it? Like is Anam Dom is my name is. So isme ex. So it's like when I'm thinking. Let's just throw it into Google. Can you see this? I've changed this.
No.
No, okay. So it says I am thinking. So I am thinking am. So what does am mean?
Time.
No, remember I said am up here. What does am up here mean?
Am is time.
Oh, sorry, time. I had said I'm. Am. So at the time, Hjap me gor. So what is Hjap me?
B.
Hjap me. No, I think it's Hjap is think, isn't it? Again, it's another way of. Is it Hjap? So let's see. Hjap me gor. So what is gor? Not sure. And then hog is to give, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hog, or is that hug? No, hug is give. Hog is take. So let's what?
Never mind.
No, what?
I was thinking about
hug is to give, and tug is to give, and tog is to take. So let's just, what are we gonna say?
Is it like nah, never mind.
It's the translation here. Let me just swap into the translation. Stop share and then share. This is so clunky. This
I was thinking of like a insult in Irish.
I doubt
And I was like, no, that's pogue, not tog.
Pogue, as in kiss my pogue my home.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be thinking of those dirty words, right? So I put it in here. So I'm thinking about time I took. I'm thinking about time I thought it took. See, that's a really direct translation. It doesn't make sense. I'm thinking about the time I thought. I'm thinking about the time I thought it took. That doesn't make sense. Okay, so let me just. What's this? Our screen sharing's paused. Screen share back into here. Boom, very clunky. Close this. So okay, so isme explain of am hjap me So what did we say it was?
I can't remember.
I'm thinking about the time it took. Isn't it? Why is it? It's gone back to. This is the worst thing about Apple. If this is the thing that this is a Mac, and it's just so awkward. Whereas a PC is just they're just more straightforward to use, but the Macs are better for certain things. That's why I have them. Okay, so I'm thinking about the time it took. Okay, so Dina Ruddy och a visha egg umlan pashtok. Okay, any words in there you recognize?
Oh no, that's Rooney. Never mind.
No, come on. Like it doesn't matter. There's no right or wrong here because we have
Well,
to.
I looked at Rudy, and I was thinking
Ruddy.
receptionist, but that's Rooney, isn't it?
Ruddy. Rooney.
Oh, Ruddy.
Rooney is secretary. Yeah. So Ruddy.
Yeah,
Ruddy.
yeah. So I'm not entirely sure what Rudy is.
What's Dina?
Is it like Jenna?
Dina. What is it?
I've heard it before, and my principal said it, I think, a couple times. It's like gok dinner, but I'm not
Yeah,
entirely sure.
What's gok Dina mean? What's gok?
Don't know.
GCH. That's gok is like all or everything. So gok Dina is everybody. So it's people.
Yeah.
So Ruddy.
Ah.
So Dina. So Ruddy. So some people. Isn't it? Some people. So what's You're good at this. What's
What am I good at?
Well, like lum, lat, live, and then
Lum lat Leslie
gum go to get a key. What's
I don't know which one it's part of though.
Well, it's something to do with me, so it's the personal one. It's it's is it like I want? Let me see. That's why this is good now. See, these are common enough words, and it's making us really think them out. From me. Yes, from me.
Yeah, I used to have a sheet, and it had pretty much all of the like verbs on it.
Yeah.
And it was very handy because I had all of them, and it was all in like me, you, him, her, or she, down. And then it was like I want, he wants, she wants, they want, and stuff. So it was really handy because I had
Right.
all of the verbs.
Okay, so Dina Ruddy So och, what's och?
I'm not sure.
What? V. So we'll just come back to that one. Sha. What's sha?
Sure. It's like I don't know. I haven't.
Well, what's shin? If I said
Shin.
to you shin a, what's shin a?
Shin. I don't know. I can't remember.
Shin is that. So if shin is that, what is sha?
Sure.
Sha.
Sure.
SEO, sha.
Shin is that. Just tell me, you know.
This.
Okay,
So if
but
I
there's
said
like
to you,
so many things that could go with that.
Well, let's see, because the thing is, you put shot in. Let's just see, right? If I put shot into put shot into term. Where is that gone? Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna put it into term. Shot. Now let's just. I'm gonna bring you back on. What's this? Your screen sharing is paused. When that says your screen sharing is paused, what's that mean? Have you flipped back to what? Just seeing me.
I'm still just seeing Captain Hooveness.
All right. Okay. So
This is what's annoying though, because like I have memorized pretty much like all of these things.
Yeah.
Like I think we memorized like 120 words that were like commonly used.
Yeah.
And I've lost pretty much all of them.
You lost them over the summer holidays.
Yeah, I've forgotten all of them. And we memorized them, and then we memorized them again because people didn't do it properly. So I've just lost 120 words
Well,
over the space of 2 months.
they're in your mind somewhere. Like there's a guy I know who speaks Irish, and he said to me, he speaks Oscar again, and dirt shay dumb. Is it dirt shay to me? He said to me that even he forgets because he doesn't get to practice enough. So you just forget. So shot. So you see this. So that's what it is. This. So inish shot dum. Tell me this. Ni Dane he shot. Kus. This won't do. Kus. Not sure. So that it just means this. So there you go. This. So I'm probably old. Shaw. Irish English Dictionary. Oh, here's the thing. Here's the folder out here. Right. So let's have a look. What are we? We are Munster.
Sure.
Do you hear that?
Sure.
Yeah.
Shaw.
Sure.
Shaw. So it just means this, but you're right. It is definitely a common word to use. So let's see. Stop sharing. This is getting tiring. So Tommy Tursha. Tommy Tursha, what's that mean?
I'm tired.
I am tired, yeah. Or Tommy Tursha. Okay, so where were we? So from this shot, go umlawn poshtok. Go. So go means what? Go.
Sorry.
What does go mean?
Go.
Go. G-O.
I can't see it anywhere. G-O.
Can you not see it? Can you not see it?
Oh, go.
No, it's go.
Go Holland.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
No, go. What does go mean? Holland means beautiful. I think it means two. Like it's just two or something like that, or that kind of idea. But you're right, go Holland is like, beautiful. It's beautiful. Go Holland. Go him. So umlawn.
Oh, I thought that was Holland.
Umlawn.
I was like, why is beautiful there?
So what's umlawn?
I don't know. I've never seen that word before.
No, that's a word I should know. Umlawn. Umlawn. Is that like umlawn? In Irish or full or something like that. I'm gonna have to put that in. Let's have a look. Let's see. I'm gonna have to translate. Oh, it's Imlan, isn't it? Let me see. Here's how it's pronounced.
Umlawn.
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 And the translation in that is all. Umlawn. Total. Okay. Poshtok.
Children? No, that's
Yeah,
posh.
no, it is, isn't it? Poshty. So what's
Is it like a
why
child?
does it say poshtok? Why does it say poshtok? Let's see. Poshtok. It's not found, so I'll have to go into Google. A child. Interesting. So to go all child. Some
All
people,
children.
no, when you see that's posh D.
Mm.
Nah, posh D would be their children. Dina Rud Ak V Shak go umlan posh talk. Let's see what this translation says, right? So what do we think of this? Some people for me, yes. People want things, but this was completely childish. People want things. Dina Rudy Ak Visha go umlan pashtak. People want things from me. But people want things, but this was completely childish. I don't know. Okay. Moving on. Now, has it changed this now to red? See that every time it drops, every time I change sentence, this is the thing now. It's changing back to red. Why is it changing back to red? Text color keeps defaulting back to red every time I change line. What's the benefit of that?
Defaulting black to black, you mean?
Yeah, but every time I change, if I move down to another sentence,
It's because it's like it's after a black word, so it's like, oh yeah, he's obviously typing in black now.
okay, probably helpful in some ways, but anyway, how are we doing for time? Okay, we're running out of time. So Tom Buick, the raw knock rev elm och shaladock. Okay, so what's Tom?
I am.
Look, see, it's gone back to look. It's gone back to Tom is. Oh, I am. Oh, you were very confident there. What's confident, Oscar? What's confidence? What's confidence, Christian?
Don't know. 1 sec. 20%
Don't be
battery.
looking when I'm looking. Oh, look, confident. Munya.
Confident.
Munya.
No, I spelled confident in Irish. No,
Munya,
wait.
confident, Munya. And that's interesting because Munya is feeling. So why is this? Oh, I see. Oh, this is interesting. Like self-assured, assured to oneself. So because you see, Munya is feeling. Isn't that interesting? Show sensation of confident. Munyak. Okay. Back to where was I? Okay. Tom Buick. So I am what? Buick. Ooh, Buickasha. What is it?
Buick's Ladia.
Yeah, so what's Buick?
I have no idea. I've just
What does
heard it
Buick's
before.
Ladia mean then?
I don't know.
So if I
You've
give
said it loads of times, but I'm not sure what you mean when you say it.
if I said to you, you've passed the test, you might go, oh, Buick's Ladia. What does that mean?
Great.
Thanks be to God.
Yeah, see, you need to tell me. Oh. If you said,
Buick's Ladia. So
it's like, oh yeah.
Buick's, we're never going to get through this song. So your 13th birthday. What's 13? What's 13th birthday? What's that? Brett Law.
Brett Law Hanadich.
Brett, no, but what's her 13th birthday? What's 13?
Brett Law Chor Blindag Dish.
Trier Blindag Dish. Triu Blindag Dish. Yeah, I'd say you're close enough. So we'll probably get to see your
I'm better at the questions.
Okay.
The conversation stuff. It's like, oh
So what did we say?
What
did we say? We've 9 minutes left. What did we say? And we've got loads done. I really miss you, Tommy. Tommy, we need you back. We need you back, Tommy. we were way better with Tommy, weren't we?
He probably left because of all the technical difficulties.
Probably, and it's just painful. Okay, so but again, look, I'm learning. I don't know about you, but I am definitely learning here because this is how you learn. So Tom Buick. So Buick, we say is what?
God.
No.
Thanks.
No, because let's break down Buick's Ladia. What does what's le mean? What's le? Wit. Wit. Le. Did they teach you any Gaelic? Did they teach any Gaelic in that school that you go to?
You know, in the new school I'm going to, we get Irish 2 times a week, and we're going to get German 3 times a week.
That says it all, Vi. That says it all. That's why I can't learn Irish properly. But anyway, so Buick's le. What does le mean?
Le.
What does le? So what's lum?
Lum la lesh li lin live la.
What's le? What's lum mean?
Me.
With me. With me.
With me, yeah. Sorry.
With me. So the le is what?
Don't know. It's not in there.
With. So
Oh,
lum is le, me, and it's crushed into one word, which is lum. So with me. So lat is what? L-E-A-T.
with you.
With you. Very good. So buicus le dia. What does the dia mean?
God.
God. Yeah. So thanks with God, basically.
Ah, that must be like Dia Yit or Dia
Dia
Gwit.
gwit. Yeah, God to you. God to you. Dia gwit. And then I say dia,
Dia Smergwit.
which means
God
what?
to you. God
No.
to you too.
What's the direct translation? Dia is muere dit.
God. Mura.
Muere.
Thanks be to God.
No, dia
No,
is
that's
dia. So it's
ah
this. What you know it now, do you?
no. Everybody's gonna think I'm so dumb.
No, you're on the spot. Look, I'm making a video here and you're on the spot. So you're doing a great job because this is what happens when I was going to do those Conor de Galway classes. Someone would say to me, Conna Satatu, and I'd be going, Conna
I don't.
Satatu. And sure, like everyone knows Conna Satatu, or they'd say Codasanan did, and I'd be going, and then they might say Codas did, and you'd be like, but you go blank. But the fact that you're trying
Yeah.
this is brilliant. So Buiacus Lydia is thanks be to God, or thanks with God, but it's thanks to God. And then what do we say what we were talking about?
No idea. God or something. I don't know.
Yeah, no, we were saying you say hello, you say dia gwit, and then you say dia is muera gwit. So you're saying to you, when you say to somebody dia gwit, you're saying God to you, and the person returns the thing and they say dia, which means God, is, which is another form of and, right? So August and is mean and. So God and what do you think Mura means? So if I said God and Mura, Mary,
See.
Mary,
I mean Mary.
God and Mary to you.
Google.
Well, God and the sea to you. Do you know the word Amadon, Oscar? Or do you know that?
Yeah, idiot. That's what you
I
were.
know it's silly. It means silly. It doesn't mean you're an idiot.
I forgot what 9 times 9 was when my teacher asked me in front of the class. That's
Really?
81. I know instantly, but like,
I see. That's the thing. But when you're under pressure, your mind panics because it's fight or flight. Anyway, back to this. We'll never get through this. We're running out of time. We've 4 minutes left. Okay, so we'll just finish this sentence. Le ra. So I am. So Tom. So see, it's weak. Thanks. So thanks. Le ra. So le. We know le is what now?
with
Yeah. Raw. What's raw mean?
I don't know.
Is it not like, is it kind of like talk, like re-raw? Let's see, raw. I think it's something to do with talk. It's something to do with talk. Raw. Oh, in English. Raw. Go. And that's Irish. Oh, say. Oh. Say. Raw. So raw means to say. Too many things on them. So say. And what does knock mean? Knock rev. Knock. Knock is like not. And rev, we're out of time. Okay, look, what we'll do is we'll stop here because we've 3 minutes left. We'll come back to this one, right? This is what I'll do is we'll know where we were next week. We can pick this up later on at home. So this was hard, wasn't it? What's hard, Oscar? Gian.
Hard, fada.
So this, how would you say this? This was so V shade.
V Dan.
This was so V shade. This was So V Shay Shaw hard. It's yeah, Dacker, right? So, because Dean is hard as a hard wall. I have the wrong hard. So this was hard. V Shay Shaw Dacker. V as in it was, Shay as in it, Shaw, this, Dacker, hard or difficult, challenging. So this was, so that's it. So do you have anything to say? You have 2 minutes before we go. Keep it clean.
I want to do questions instead. This is too hard.
Is it?
Yeah. No, we can finish it like next week, but
It's going to take us forever.
I'm not very good at this one.
Unless Tommy comes back, we're knackered.
It's gonna take us 3 more episodes.
At least.
We have 1 bed left.
Okay, so that's it. So Goramila Mahagat Gak Dinner. What's that mean?
Everybody.
Yeah, Goramila Mahagat Gak Dinner. August. Fecky Shiv. Feckin Weed, we will Feckin Weed Shiv shocked and Huygen, isn't it? Hopefully. Okay.
Saying we'll see you again.
We'll see you next week, hopefully.
Yeah, that sounds right. I don't know.
I don't know.
See you next weekend. So
This
they're
is
shocked.
this is worse. What's dentist in Irish? Fiaclor or something, is it? Fiaclor.
We've done a
This is
story
worse-
on
This is
dentists
worse than a
before, I
trip
can't
to the
remember.
dentist. What? Less than a minute left, Christian.
It's gonna sing.
Say something. Say something inspiring. Okay. we're back.
Never give up on your dreams unless they're stupid.
You should have said it, Oscar. What's that, Oscar? Bring
Never
load
give
is-
up on your
bring load
dreams
is
unless they're
dream.
stupid.
Right, we're out of time. We're gonna take 1 second. Slot.
But it's not over. Oh no.
It's important. It is now.
No, wait, hold on. I want to write Slán in the chat. It's not
that
over, that.
Isn't it?
No, less than 1 minute. How long exactly, though? It's not saying. It's just going to cut out now. Reactions.
I'm gonna go. Slán.